Welcome back to Learning with a Difference. School Morning Assembly Anchoring Script. When everything seems to be going against you, remember that the airplane takes off against the wind, not with it. When we are facing a challenge, it's extremely important to never lose hope. There's always way out of every situation. With these motivational words, a very heartfelt morning to each and everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 standing before you to present today's morning assembly on behalf of Ashoka House. Heartiest welcome to all. Dear friends, for each new morning, let there be flow of love. Let there be light of happiness in every direction. Let's attack the day with enthusiasm and pray to God to give us strength that we try to make every day the most beautiful day of our life. And it's time to communicate with God. Now, everybody, join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. And after prayer, we are Indians, and being the citizen of India, we need to help each other. Pledge reminds us our duties towards the people of our country. It reminds us to give love and respect to all. It's time to take pledge. I would like to invite on stage Bhumi from class 8 for pledge. Thank you very much, Bhumi. People certainly want their life to be happy and improve in every area. Who wouldn't? We would also certainly want to lead a positive life, happy and satisfying life. But it requires some work on our part. But that's not hard work. And the rewards are great. And with this, let's we have some motivation through today's thought. Next, I would like to invite on stage Naman from class 8 for thought of the day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Naman. Thought of the day is: once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, Naman. It's very important to enhance knowledge of our surroundings, knowledge about what is happening in the country and around the world. Having good knowledge on different subjects is valuable for all of us. It's time for today's news update. I would like to invite on stage Shagun from class 8 for today's news. Thank you very much, Shagun, for today's news update. It's important to keep learning and keep updating ourselves. General knowledge is important for enhancing our sense of perceiving the world. For better understanding and analysis of the situations cannot be possible without proper knowledge. And it's time to check and enhance our general knowledge. Next, I would like to invite Arush from class 8 for GK quiz. Thank you very much, Arush. We need good communication skills to work effectively. Building a strong vocabulary over time can allow us to better communicate our thoughts verbally or in writing. Let's add a new word to our vocabulary. For word of the day, I would like to invite on stage Isha from class 8. Good morning, everyone. My name is Isha. Word of the day is tenacious, which means not likely to give up or let something go or determine. Synonyms of tenacious are cohesive, persistent. Antonyms of tenacious are unreliable and weak. I'm using this word in a sentence. He was the most tenacious politician in West Bengal. Thank you. Thank you very much for enhancing our vocabulary. Now we are at the end. Let us recall the glory of our country. Let us recall the sacrifices made by the martyrs for the benefit of the country. Let us fill ourselves with pride, joy, and happiness. And let us give respect to our nation by singing national anthem together. Now, today's assembly is over. Thank you very much for your cooperation. Have a nice day ahead.